Hey, nice to see you here. Let me know if you can hear me well in the comments. I always love to read your little comments. And then today we're gonna deep dive into, how can you get more clients on the internet using social media marketing. And the main thing when it comes to focus on these questions is how do, what Facebook ads work best. And this is exactly the question typically that I get the most often, and I want to deep dive into this for you so that you learn, what Facebook ads work best for your business. But before we get started, make sure that if at any time when I talk to you and it feels here, oh my God, I want this for my business, that you reach out to me. I will put the link around this video and then we book a free consultation and I can discuss with you, how this can work for your business. And I'll show you the programs we have to work with you if you're interested. No pressure, but don't hesitate to reach out to me because I love talking to real people, okay? So when it comes to get new clients from the internet, from social media marketing and advertising, we all need to show up on social media in a way that actually let you meet strangers who become your customers through what we call a path, a journey. So how do you do that with social media marketing content and ads? So the huge question though is that holds people back from investing in Facebook ads or getting into the habit of investing in ads to be seen, and so that more people not only see you but buy from you. And most of the time is the fear of being seen, the fear of saying the wrong things, the fear of not knowing who exactly to talk to on social media, and the fear of technology. How do I do that? Like, what tools does it take, right? So when it comes to this, I'm gonna actually demystify what Facebook ads are. Yes, you need tools, they are free. The only thing you have to pay is your ads. But when you understand the potential of advertising to help you take what you already do for your business on social media, you'll see it's gonna just go wonker. So I'll share an interesting story very soon about this, right? But before I forget, I want you to reach out to me if you want to learn more on how you could embrace social media marketing ads, like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Messenger ads, so that you can get more clients from social media. So the story I wanted to share with you is, a few months ago, I got approached by a business woman, and people come to me and say, oh my God, I need to fill up my programs and it's in 10 days, okay? Most of the time there's an urgency and suddenly ads become the only way to do it. So I want to tell you, if you want your ads to work at their best, don't plan it in a rush. This is an ongoing yearly tactics you put in place so that you can actually collect new clients in a cheaper way. But you can do it actually in 10 days. So I said, well, usually I don't work like in a short period of time like this, but how much are you ready to risk in this? I call ads horse racing, right? Because I won't get into the details, but it's really like a horse race. And she said, I don't know, what do you say? Well, I said, how much is the seat in your program? She said, 130. Okay, so what about we take 130, worst case scenario, you lose, you waste it. Best case scenario, you get at least one new client, which cover the cost, or maybe more. Okay, so let's do this. And then with $130 for 10 days, we had about 15 ads. And with specific copywriting that was tailored to our audience, and we were it was a small amount, so we were spending maybe $2 to $5 a day for each ad. And guess what? She not only got one person to fill up a program, but she got 15. So her return on investment was all covered. All this to say that if, in the worst scenario, case scenario, it can work, it can also work for you when you're organized and you take things in advance so that you can actually implement what I'm going to show you there. I use usually two types of ads. I use the one that we call the building audiences ad or visibility ads, right? If you don't know me yet, by the way, I'm Angelique Binet, the founder of Social Media Love, and I help women entrepreneurs to unleash their inner rock star on social media with paid and free traffic. So we use literally, you probably are posting right now some posts on your social media platforms, and we use those to convert them in bigger audiences with specific ads. So the ad that works the best for that specific goal for visibility is usually awareness ads. So it's around video views, engagement with people, or reach. Then the second type of ad that we use are the one that I call the sales ad. And it can be, selling like purchase this, but it could be also a registration, register to my webinar, or come to my store, or get on my email list. So those are different type of ads. There is an ad for everything, every business goal you have in your business has an equivalent as an ad. So this is when you're gonna hear those words: conversion ad, traffic, catalog, if you have a store online, or even a store visit, right? So those one, and then email, lead gen, getting people to your email. So basically, I love using a combination of both because those guys here are more expensive. But one of the tactics we use with those one is that Facebook allows you to retarget all the people that consume your daily content with specific ads. So that's what we call like cold traffic versus warm traffic, which is like what people who know your content, they've seen you before and now they're ready to buy from you. But we also run cold traffic when we test new markets and we bring people to our ecosystem for the very first time. So when it comes to answer your question, what Facebook ads work best, the one that work best are the one you're gonna test. And you're gonna test them in a way that it really fit with your business goals. If you want more people in your email list, you'll do that. If you want more people to your website, you'll do that. If you want more people to watch your video, then you will do that, right? So I hope this helps and it gives you a sense of the scope of possibilities with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Messenger ads. And those ads, by the way, go beyond Facebook. They go on website. So if you have any more questions, tell me in the comments. I'll be so happy to answer them. And thanks again. And don't forget to reach out to me if something caught you during that tutorial. Ciao, ciao.